Hi my loves, in today's video I'm going to share with you 11 habits that completely changed my life, my mindset, my happiness, my productivity, my looks, everything. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and check my self-love and beauty hack ebook down below for only $10. Now let's begin. Starting off, one of the most important habits is how you begin your mornings, which sets the mood for the rest of the day. One of the biggest habits I've incorporated is waking up gently, slowly, stretching, giving myself enough time not to feel rushed. Also, another huge habit that has changed my health, my hair, my skin, everything has been drinking a gallon of water a day, and I actually picked this up on Amazon. I'll link it down below. This has completely changed my life because I can actually see how much water I'm drinking a day. It's also so pretty and motivating to look at with all the positive messages and motivation. So I'll link this down below. It's not sponsored, you guys. I just don't know how I used to drink water without this because it's the only way I've been able to comfortably drink a gallon a day. The next thing I'm going to show you, I actually had to rebuy because I lost my last one. That's how much I'm obsessed with it. It has changed my life, and it is the Fitbit. I will link it down below and exactly where I got it from for the best price. It shows me how many miles I'm walking, how many steps, my heart health, but most importantly, my sleep analysis. And this really shows me how much I'm sleeping and how well I'm sleeping, and it holds me accountable to get the proper amount of deep sleep that I need. So I usually check the app every single morning to stay on track, and being able to track it really helps me. So that'll be linked below. Next up is something that I've been forcing myself to do no matter what. The second I wake up, I open my blinds, my curtains, and then open the window for fresh air. You guys, I cannot tell you how much this has changed my mood, my vibe, my mindset, everything. And it really just helps me breathe knowing I'm getting all that fresh air in my space. Now, if you hear me say this right now, comment 2-minute mark in the comment section so I can show you so much love. Next habit is making the bed. And I know you guys have probably heard this, but this habit is so important. Not only does it make your space instantly seem fresher and cleaner, but it is something you can check off your to-do list and accomplish first thing in the morning to make you feel like you've done one thing on your list. And it also just looks so much nicer, you guys, which I need in order to be productive. Now, halfway through for habit number 6, it is all about making sure you are feeding your body the nutrients it needs. And a product I love for this is the Teami Green Superfood Powder, because it increases your amount of veggies and superfoods that you need on a daily basis, and it can improve your gut health, energy levels, and it's so easy just to use on the go. I usually like to do this in the mornings, mainly on days I either don't have a lot of time or just want to make sure I get those greens in while being lazy, because all I need to do is add a spoonful of this with some water. I just throw it into a tumbler, shake it up, and you guys will see how easy it is. Now, if you guys have more time in your mornings or just aren't as lazy, you can always add this into a smoothie, but I just like to keep things really simple. I add my water, shake it up, and then I just drink it in the morning or throughout the day. Adding nutrients, vitamins, minerals into your body is such an important habit. You just want to make sure you're constantly feeding your body the nutrients it needs, especially if you don't get it in your food on a daily basis. So after shaking it up, it is ready to start the main part of my day, which contain my biggest life-changing habits yet. Now, since showering, getting ready, brushing your teeth, all that stuff should be basic habits, so let's get back onto the life-changing ones. I typically like to drink my drink, get ready at this time, or get warm because it has been so cold lately, and the first thing I do is look at my list of things to do for this day. It is so important to write out a to-do list and then go over it so you know exactly what you need to do first, and usually for me that's work. And a habit that has really been helping me in this department is to make sure I set up my workspace comfortably. I have my water, my laptop, my day planner, my notebook, my pens, because this just helps me stay focused and not have to keep getting up to grab everything. I also like to have a charger and my phone handy so I can settle in and get my work done without any distractions. Now, halfway through my workday, a huge habit I've incorporated that has really helped me in the long run is going outside, getting some sun, which is so important to add natural vitamin D into your system, and give yourself that luxury of appreciating nature. Whether you want to journal outside, work outside, or just meditate and relax outside, incorporating being out there in nature, getting sunlight can really shift your mood, your vibrations, your mindset, and meditating is a huge part of that. I have a lot of meditation videos coming soon for you guys, and I don't know why I didn't sit outside more. Once I incorporated this habit into my life, I literally felt a shift every single day, so I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Another huge shift in your vibrations, your mindset, your motivation, and just the way your life pans out is to write out what you're grateful for. I typically like to do this outside. Sometimes I do this in the mornings by my bed. Other times I do it outside on my balcony, but it is so important just to write out all the things you're grateful for every single day. Alright, my loves, well, that was my video. If you made it all the way through, comment right now, I made it, in the comment section. Thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and everything in this video will be linked down below. Also, don't forget to use code 20ANITA if you end up getting any of the Teami products. I'll have it listed below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for a new video. Mwah.